Okay, so we're looking at a third in the series of the hardest questions. In this first one, I was thinking about what we should look at is just a section of it. Okay. Because once we work out what one section is, it's going to be proportional. So once we work out the shaded area of a quarter of it, it'll be the same proportion for the whole shape. Okay, so what I want you to do is think about an area of the shaded, but as a fraction, and then what we'll do is we'll just extend that idea to the whole shape. Okay, so you might be back, who knows? So I'm just going to draw in a few more lines. And so now we've just got lots of triangles. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 triangles, and of the 8, 3 are shaded. So basically 3/8 of the shape will be shaded. Okay? So just remember, like, these are all triangles, so I've divided up to make other triangles. So 3 are shaded, so 3/8 of the quarter is shaded, so 3/8 of the whole shape will be shaded. Now the question is, what's the area? So I've got a square, okay? So 20 by 20, so the whole shape is 400 millimeters squared, and then we just have to do 3/8 of 400. And we've got a calculator, but I'll do it the other way. 8 into 40 goes 5. So the answer is 150 square millimeters. Okay. Next question. All right. I think the trick in this one here is that there's actually 4 strands of wire, not just one. So can you have a go at this one? And just remember that whatever you get, just make sure you've multiplied by 4. Okay, so we're back, hopefully. So we've got 600 there, 900, 500. So we just need these bits here. If that's 500 and that's 600, then that's 100. If that's 900 and that's 500, that's 400. But basically what we've got is a whole rectangle, because that 400 can go up and that 100 can go up. So we've got rather than having 500, we've got 2 600s and we've got 2 900s. So 2 times 600 plus 2 times 900. So I've got 1200. Now, also the conversion is meters. We'll do that later. So I've got 1800. So I've got 3000 meters, which is 3 kilometers. Okay. Now that's for one wire, and I have 4 wires, so I've got 12 kilometers. And that's that question. Okay, this graph can be used to convert miles to kilometers, so it's a linear relationship. Okay, so let's just see, it's not super hard, but see how you go. Okay, so you might have seen that 3 of these equal 4.8. So 4.8 divided by 3 equals 1.6. So that means that each one you go across will be 1.6 added. And then I'm just going to add another 1.6, 1.6 to get that answer. And so 5 times 1.6 equals 8. And so the answer is 8 kilometers. Excuse me for burping there. Moving on to the next question. Okay, now this one we might have talked about in class. So let's see if you can remember the trick. This is a non-calculator. If it was a calculator question, it would be so simple. Okay, so pause, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so we're looking for the biggest number. So we've got to convert them all into something that's the same. So decimals is what we're going to have. So 0.18 is easy. Okay, 0.4 by 0.444 is a 16. And we've got 2 decimal places. So we've got 2 decimal places. So we've got 0.16. This number over here, 6 into 1.00. So we're looking for the biggest number. So at the moment, 0.18 is the biggest. So 6 into 1 doesn't go. 6 into 10 goes once with 4 left over. 6 into 40, 6 sevens are 42, so it's going to be 6. So straight away we don't have to do any more. Still 0.18 is biggest. So all we have to do is work out this number. Now, without a calculator, 0.04 is the same as 4 over 100, and the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 100 is 10, so that equals 0.2, and that's the largest number, 0.2. Okay, without a calculator. Next question. Okay, so it's, again, without a calculator, you have to do the division. It's question 28, so it's in the last couple. And again, this didn't make a good question for our group. Okay, so again, you've got to think about how do you make that number a whole number to make the division easier. And you should have been taught that at some stage in your life. And have a go now. Okay, so we're back. So we're doing 1.12 into 12.24. That's the question. And so we can make this a whole number by jumping 2 places, and then we make that the same. So now we've got 12 into 1224 is the question. So 12 into 12 goes once. 12 into 2 doesn't go. 12 into 24 goes twice. So the answer is 102. Okay, and that's the last question in the block. So thanks for that. Bye.